Okay, Jonathan. So I make this connection. It will connect directly, and you won't be have any issue with the connection again. But you have to turn on and off from here. So when I switch the key, the display directly on. See, you cannot turn it on again. You can still use this one, but sometimes it was showing error 6, but maybe you can use this one to, yeah, still work fine. Yesterday it's showing error 6, now it's normal. Pedal assist hidup enggak? Pedal assist normal, pedal assist. So you still can use the old controller, but I don't know if sometime if there's still error again, you need to replace all this cable and controller and new display. This is the old one. I remove it with sponge.